Can you add highlights on Instagram without posting a story? Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. We hate to break it, but without posting a story, you cannot actually add an Instagram highlight. If you check out by launching an Instagram application and tapping on the profile option, you will see that there is the highlight section right over here. If you try to create a new one, it will redirect you to your story archive, which means you can only select from the story and create a highlight. However, in the case of editing the story cover, you can actually choose from the gallery by clicking on this album icon right over here. You may actually select a picture from a gallery as a cover of the highlight. However, you will not be able to add a highlight without adding as your story. Hopefully, this was clear to you. This video was made entirely for your information, and we want you to be safe from all of the myths. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much.